I'm Ed Gorin from Choclatique, and I am the Chocolate Doctor. Do you like the look of those beautiful shiny cakes in the bakery case? I certainly do. And my favorite is the soccer torte. Soccer torte comes from the Hotel Soccer in Vienna. I happened to have worked there for 9 months, making about 400 of these beautiful cakes a day. And you'd think they're really hard to make because they're so seamlessly shiny, but they're really not. And they all start with the magic of ganache, a little bit of cream, and a little bit of butter. And then you mix them all together and you apply them to the cake. Now, you don't have to worry about frosting the cake or anything else. You just pour it over the cake. It's always best to have a frosting tray underneath and a sheet pan underneath that to catch the glaze, because you can use the glaze over and over again. Now just look at that cake. Doesn't that start to look beautiful? It's like a chocolate waterfall. It's like Niagara Falls on cacao beans. Look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. And I guarantee you, it turns out this magnificent every single time. I'm Ed Gorin from Choclatique. I am the Chocolate Doctor. Take 2 truffles and call me in the morning.